Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are keeping it easy and delicious with classic favorite chow mein. Let's get started. Begin by the marination of the chicken strip with salt, black pepper, paprika powder, soya sauce, cornflour. Mix well and marinate it for 30 minutes. Slice your bell pepper into the thin strip, julienne the carrot and shred the cabbage and keep them aside. Next, cook your noodle according to the package instruction. Add oil and salt into the boiling water and add noodle and cook it for 6 to 7 minutes until tender. In a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add your chicken and cook it until it's done and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add garlic, mix well, add your veggies and cook it for 10 minutes. Add your cooked chicken, mix well and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes, then add boiled spaghetti. For the sauce, mix soya sauce, oyster sauce, oil, sugar and chili sauce together. Mix well and add the sauce to the noodle. Give it a good mix and that's it. There you have it. This chow mein is not only quick and easy to make but also really good in taste. So do try it out and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Happy cooking!